Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off auto shutdown in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to use. Once everything is up and running, you're all set to begin configuring your power settings. Now, navigate to your Windows Start menu and click on it. This is typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen, represented by the Windows logo icon. Once the Start menu opens, type in Settings in the search bar that appears. After typing, press Enter on your keyboard and the Microsoft Windows Settings menu will launch automatically. This is your central hub for managing all system configurations and preferences. From the Settings menu, look for and click on the System option. This section contains a variety of settings related to your computer's display, sound, notifications, and power management. Once you're in the System settings, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu where you'll see several options listed vertically. Click on Power and Sleep from this menu. This will take you directly to the Power and Sleep settings page, which is where you can control how and when your computer conserves energy. Within the Power and Sleep settings, you'll notice a section labeled Screen. This section specifically controls when your display turns off after a period of inactivity. Click on the drop-down menu under the Screen section and you'll see several time intervals listed, such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and so on. These options determine how long your computer waits before turning off the screen when it's not being used. To prevent your Windows 11 PC from automatically shutting down or turning off the screen after being idle, simply select Never from the list of available options. By choosing Never, your screen will remain on continuously and your computer won't enter any automatic shutdown mode based on inactivity. And that's it! You've successfully disabled the auto shutdown feature in Windows 11, ensuring your computer stays active as long as you need it to. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.